naughty genius. How are you? My name is Prerna and I am your teacher and your friend. Okay, so now we are going to play a game together. I am so excited. Are you excited? If you are excited, you have to say loudly, yes! This is how you show your excitement. So, everyone, are you excited? Yes! Wonderful, wonderful job. So, now what we are going to do, we are going to play a game and you have to follow some instructions. ठीक है, आपको प्रेरणा मैम की सारी बातें सुननी है. जैसे जैसे प्रेरणा मैम बोलेंगी आपको वैसे वैसे फॉलो करना. ओके, so what we are going to do, so everyone, let's start the game and everyone now show me your both the hands and can I see your hands and show me your hands. Yes, wow, what a colorful star you have. Wonderful. So your right hand has red color star and your left hand has yellow. No, it's not yellow. Is it orange? No, it is not orange. What color it is? Is it green color? जल्दी से बताओ ये कौन सा कलर है? I think it is blue color. Is it blue color? Yes. So we have blue color in our left hand and red color in our right hand. Right? So now what we are going to do? We are going to do some मस्ती. मस्ती करने वाले हैं. मस्ती क्या करने वाले हैं? So we are going to hide our right hand which has red star. Okay? So इस hand को हमने छुपाना है. Do you know some place where can we hide it? Or let me just think. I got an idea. See. So now we are going to hide our right hand which has red star. We are going to hide this hand into our t-shirt like this. Everyone, hide your right hand into your t-shirt. What a fun! So it is going to be very exciting. Okay, so now we can see only one hand, right? Can you see my other hand? No, I can't see my other hand. I can't see my right hand. I can see only my left hand. Can you see your right hand? No, I can't see you. I think you also can't see your right hand, right? So now we can see only our left hand, right? We are now going to play with our left hand. So let's play. क्या करना है अब हमें? So first we are going to give a high five with our left hand to Prerna ma'am. So everybody give me a big high five. High five with our left hand. Wonderful. Now one more time. High five with your left hand. Wonderful. Okay. So now with our left hand, we are going to make something very beautiful. So we are going to make a beautiful rainbow, right? So everyone, let's make a beautiful rainbow with our left hand. So everyone, one more time, make a beautiful rainbow with our left hand. Let's take a beautiful rainbow with our left hand. Wow, such a beautiful rainbow you all have made. Wow, what a colorful rainbow you all have made. Wonderful. I'm so glad to see your drawing. You made a beautiful rainbow. So now, what else we can make with this? We can make with this left hand. One more thing we can do with our left hand, but that is very masti wala. Shall we do that? Okay, so go and get a handkerchief or a t-shirt. Go find out a t-shirt or a handkerchief and come back. So let me just also go and get a t-shirt. Okay, so collect a t-shirt. I have got it. So I have a t-shirt in my hand. So now everyone, let's hold your t-shirt like this or handkerchief like this. अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? मस्ती और शरारत. Okay, so everyone hold your t-shirt like this and now we are going to rotate our t-shirt like a fan. Everyone rotate your t-shirt with your left hand fast, fast, fast. So we are rotating our t-shirt with our left hand. What a fun it is! Yay! So now come back, come back, come back. So now let's leave it. ठीक है, मम्मा गुस्सा करेंगे. Okay? So अब हम क्या करेंगे? हमने क्या किया? हमने अपने लेफ्ट हैंड से टी शर्ट को रोटेट किया और हमने क्या किया? हमने अपने लेफ्ट हैंड से a beautiful rainbow we have made. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to stand up now. ठीक है, अब हम खड़े हो जाएंगे, खड़े हो जाएंगे, खड़े हो जाएंगे. Everybody, let me just adjust the camera and I'm also going to stand. Okay, so everybody stand up like this. Let me just adjust the camera. Wonderful. So now extend your left hand like this. Everyone extend your left hand. Okay, so now I am, in fact we all will turn towards our left hand. मतलब हम सब अपने लेफ्ट हैंड की तरफ, जहां हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड है ना, उस तरफ मुड़ जाएंगे. So everyone turn towards our left hand like this. Wonderful. So now you all have to tell me, जैसे प्रेरणा मैम आपको बताने वाली हैं. प्रेरणा मैम can see lots of things towards my left hand side. ठीक है, मुझे अपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे सारी चीजें दिख रही हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें, and I'm going to name them. मैं उनका नाम लेने वाली हूँ. Okay, so मेरे बाद after me you all have to tell me what you all can see towards your left hand side. ठीक है, so let me just tell you that I can see a fan, I can see a bed, I can see a pillow there, I can see a pair of sandals there, or I can see a TV there. Okay, so I can see all these things towards my left hand side. So this is our left hand and this is our left side. Okay, now everyone, you all have to tell me what all you can see towards your left hand side. आप सबको अपने लेफ्ट हैंड की साइड पे क्या दिख रहा है आपको बताना है मुझे, जल्दी जल्दी बताना. ओके, मेक अ लिस्ट एंड लेट मी नो. ओके, so everyone, now we are going to hop towards our left hand. जहां पे हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड है उस तरफ हमें हॉपिंग करनी. so everybody hop 3 times towards our left hand. जहां पे हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड है उस साइड पे हमें 3 times hopping करनी. okay, so let me just hop 3 times. so you all will hop with me. ठीक है, so let's start. 1 2 3. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. So we moved 3 times, है ना, हम 3 बार move किए. Okay, so now wonderful job. Come back and sit. Okay, let me just adjust the camera. Yes, अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to count. आज हमने क्या क्या मस्ती की. सबसे पहले हमने एक ब्यूटीफुल रेनबो क्रिएट किया विद आवर लेफ्ट हैंड. देन हमने क्या किया, हमने एक मस्ती की, शरारत की. क्या शरारत की? हमने एक टी शर्ट ली और हमने उसको रोटेट किया फैन की तरह, राइट, विद आवर लेफ्ट हैंड. उसके बाद हमने then we turn towards our left hand side and we made a list of the things which we can see towards our left hand side. हमें जो जो दिख रहा था लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, हमने उन सब की एक लिस्ट बनाई, राइट. उसके बाद क्या किया? उसके बाद हमने we moved 3 times towards our left side. We hopped 3 times towards our left side. है ना, अपनी लेफ्ट साइड पे हम 3 times hopping किया. ठीक है. Now we are going to play another game. Are you ready? Okay, I am ready and I'm sure you all are ready. So for that you have to wait for a second. Okay. मैम ने अगर 1 सेकंड के लिए वेट करने के लिए बोला है तो you have to wait for a second. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here it is. Do you know who is he? He is another naughty genius. He is my son, Kabir. Okay, so Kabir, say hi to everyone. Hi. Okay, so let's start the game. In this game, what we need to do? So if we see a bird, we have to raise our left hand. And if we see an animal, we have to raise our right hand. But our right hand is inside the t-shirt, right? My t-shirt के अंदर है हमारा right hand. So how will we raise it? Okay, let me just think. Let me just think. Okay, I got an idea. If you see an animal, you have to raise the right shoulder. Okay, is it fine? So, what we need to do in this game, if we see a bird, जब हम एक bird देखेंगे, we will raise our left hand. And if we see an animal, we will raise our right shoulder because our right hand is inside the t-shirt. Okay, okay, so let's start. 1 minute. Okay, see. What a colorful thing this is. Is it a bird or an animal? So it has beautiful feathers and a beautiful red color beak. So I think it is. And if we see a bird, we need to raise our left hand. Wonderful job. So now let's move. So this is peacock, and peacock is a bird. That is why we have raised our left hand. Okay, let's move. What is this? I can't see its beak and I can't see its feather. इसके तो feather भी नहीं है और beak भी नहीं है. I know you all know this is an elephant. Elephant की beak भी नहीं होती और feather भी नहीं होते. So elephant is a animal. Elephant is an animal. So when we see an animal, we have to raise our. No. When we see an animal, we have to raise our right shoulder. Right? Okay. So let's move. What a colorful parrot! But is it a parrot? No, this is macaw. Okay, so it has colorful feather and a yellow beak. So this is a bird. So if we see a bird, we have to raise our no. We have to raise our left hand. Shabash. Okay, next. Who is this? Is this Prerna, ma'am? No. This is not me. This is a monkey, and monkey is an animal, right? So जब हम animal देखेंगे, we have to raise our right shoulder. Perfect. Now let's move further. Oh, what a big bird this is. This is an eagle. Eagle has big feathers and big beak, है ना? Big feathers and big beak. Okay, so when we see a bird, we have to raise our left hand. Shabash. Okay, let's move further. What is this? Let me just see. Okay, now we have to follow the instructions, right? Okay, so it is saying that Mr. Left, please bring a glass of water for Mama. Okay, so it is saying that you have to bring a glass of water for Mama and you have to hold the glass with your left hand. Okay, so you have to hold the glass with your hand. Now, फटाफट से run, get water for Mama and come fast. Okay, I'm waiting, and now the other instruction is Mr. Left, please switch on the TV. Okay, now it is saying please switch on the TV with your left hand. So everybody go, run, switch on the TV and come back fast. I'm waiting here. Go, run, switch on the TV with your left hand and come back fast. Okay. And third instruction is, now Mr. Left is saying, please tickle your mama. This is amazing. So everybody tickle your mama with your left hand. I am also going to tickle all of you. Now let's see another instruction. This is, Mr. Left, put 2 coins in your left pocket. Now it is saying we have to put 2 coins. So first go and get 2 coins. Mama se फटाफट से 2 coins ले लो. And left pocket. Where is left pocket? See, this is our left hand. So इस hand के side पे जो pocket है, that is your left pocket. So this is our left hand and this is our left pocket. So we have to put coins in our left pocket. Okay. Now come. Now the other instruction is, Mr. Left, please do high five with Mama's left hand. So, okay, this is amazing. So now you have to give high five to your mama with your left hand. Okay, so let me repeat this again. Mr. Left, please do high five with mama's left hand. So you have to give high five to mama's left hand. Mama ka left hand and your left hand. Okay. So next instruction. And the other instruction is, Mr. Left, please water plants. Okay. So now it is saying, Mr. Left, that means your left hand, please water your plant. So you have to water your plant with your left hand. Okay. So remember, you have to give water to your plant with your left hand. Okay. So now let's move. Okay, this is again something interesting. So there are two cars, okay? A blue car and a green car. One car is going this way and the another car is going this way. So now we have to tell which car is towards our left. कौन सी कार लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जा रही है? So see, this is our left hand and this is our left side. So इस साइड पे कौन सी कार जा रही है? Which car is moving towards this hand? So green car is moving towards our left hand side. Wonderful job. You all have done a wonderful job. Now move. Now we need to see fish is in our left hand side or duck is in our left hand side. So see, this is our left hand. So if we extend our left hand like this, so we see fish is going towards our left, है ना? Fish left side जा रही है, हमारी left hand की तरफ जा रही है. Okay, so fish is going towards our left hand side. Shabash. Now next. Okay, so now we have to see these kids are moving towards which side? See, this is our left hand side, and if we extend our left hand side, boy is not going towards left. Boy is going towards right, and this girl is going towards right. Okay, so no one is moving towards left side, है ना? कोई भी left side पे move नहीं कर रहा, right? Okay, now see another picture. So this picture is saying bye bye. See you in our next class. So you have to wait for Prerna ma'am. So you have to wait for Prerna ma'am. Let me just come on the main screen. Yes, so you all have done a great job. I had a great time with all of you. Believe me, I'm so glad to see you all. And now we will see in another class with lots of fun, musty and entertainment. Okay, so till then, bye bye.